I've been using Linux for about a year now. And recently, I wanted to play a game on Windows. So I booted up the Windows. And to no surprise, I hate Windows 11. I've heard so much stuff about Windows 11 online. Haven't really been using it like here and there a little bit, but never as a full-on, like for like a game session, you know? I haven't done that. So I had no expectations really coming into it. I was like, yeah, it's probably going to be really bad. I'm probably not going to have a good time, but it'll be fine. It'll be an operating system, like literally it's just software. Why is everything so slow? Why is opening an app take like 3 seconds? An app shouldn't take 3 seconds to open, or 2 seconds even. To open an app should be instantaneous. That's how it was before. That's how it is on here, right? Like, here, look at this. File Explorer. Instantaneous. Here, open. Bam. But do it on Windows? I guess maybe it's slightly faster now that they preload it on startup instead of fixing its software. And oh my god, what's up with the AI stuff? Why is it shoving AI down our throats? Like, oh my god, cool AI. I'm just using an operating system. I just need to open apps and write text and use my mouse and hear audio. Like, why do I need it? What do I need AI for? What? Oh, you can ask it. What do I need to ask it questions when I'm on my operating system? I can think for myself. We can think for ourselves. What is the point of having a co-pilot there? I remember there was, like, before they talked about like co-pilot and like it having memory or something with your files and stuff, and like what you do so you can ask it questions. But why? I don't think anyone really asked for it. I mean, it's a cool feature. A bit of a privacy breach in my opinion. Like, if you're using Windows 11 and you're okay with it, that's okay. Do what's comfortable, do what's there and available. But my god, what has, I think this is just a showing of software nowadays. Like, there's some really bad, bloated, slow software, and the fact that a whole operating system is also that, I feel like that's just where it all falls apart. How do you expect good software when your operating system, the thing that makes everything pretty much run, that is a layer between your hardware and your user applications, why is that horrible? That should probably be the most important thing. And that's why I'm enjoying my time on Linux. I'm loving Linux. I'm loving NixOS as well. Now, people may have their opinions on NixOS, but I like knowing everything that's installed. I love having specific environments in folders where I can have a specific set of things that's installed and not bloat the global space of my operating system. That's nice. I like that, but you may not, and that's okay. But Linux in general has felt like the turning point, and with how bad software is now, especially with an operating system like Windows and the AI slop and RAM prices increasing, I feel like 2026, as much as people were saying 2025 is the year of the Linux desktop, 2026 is really feeling like it. Like, people are now hearing more about Linux, and I think it's just only going to go up for here, and I think that's going to just be a net positive for technology and software in general. But this is about that. This is about Linux and Windows 11 being pretty horrible It's just slow, and I can't stand that. It's a small nitpick, I guess, but it's the foundation, you know? You want your things to just run and be snappy. Anyway, that's kind of all I had to say. Just a little rant about the state of Windows 11, and I guess a little bit about AI and software as a whole. Um, there's not much to read behind this. I just like how my experience is going on Linux, and dislike Windows 11. Um, so yeah, thank you for listening to my little rant, and it's a little bit different from my usual content. I hope you enjoyed it though. It was fun to just speak. Anyway, thank you for listening, and see you in the next one.